During this tutorial, I'm going to introduce you to a Mac desktop. We're going to start with the Apple menu. The Apple menu is located in the upper left-hand corner. In thinking of terms of Mac versus PC, the Apple menu is what you would consider the start menu on a PC. If you click on the Apple icon, you see this is where you can put your machine to sleep, restart your machine, shut down, log out, just like you would on the start menu on a PC. One of the most valuable tools in this menu is force quit. If you're in a document and you want to quickly shut it down, or you have multiple applications running, you can use force quit to force them to close down so that you can move on. We'll talk about your dock a little bit later, but this is where you would modify your dock and set your preferences. If you want your dock to hide, where do you want it positioned, things of that nature. Your dock is actually where your applications are located, not all of them, but the frequently used applications, and serves as a quick launch area or a place where you can switch between applications. This is your menu bar. Your menu bar shows you what application you're currently working in. Right now we're in Safari, and any changes that I make in this menu will affect Safari only. If I switch applications to Finder, now this menu is specific to Finder. If I select Close, everything in these drop-down menus are specific to Finder. Something interesting that you need to be aware of is that when you open an application in Word, to close it out, you simply click the X in the upper right hand corner. An application on the Mac side, whether it be a Mac software program or a Mac compatible PC application, you normally close them out in the upper left hand corner. However, it only closes the document you are working in and not the entire program. To close the entire program, you would click on the title of the application you're working in and ask it to quit. Okay? On the right hand side of the menu bar, you have what is considered the taskbar on the Mac side, which includes several things, including your internet connectivity, your volume for the computer, your battery life, of course the day and time, and it has what we call Spotlight. Spotlight allows you to quickly search for applications or documents or programs, and it tells you where you can quickly find them. Spotlight is a very valuable tool. Below Spotlight, of course, we have our desktop icons. These are normally located on the left-hand side on the PC. It's interesting that it's on the flip side on a Mac. On the bottom of your Mac desktop, you have your dock. This is what we spoke of just a little bit earlier. This is where all of your recently used or most often used applications can be located. You can tailor this to best suit your needs. On the right hand side, you have the user's home folder, applications, and when you click on them, they span out. Click to bring it back. You have your documents, your downloads, and your trash. The PC called this, on the PC this is known as the recycle bin, the same thing, but of course on this side we simply call it our trash. Works the same. And you can see as we move across other items of interest, other applications located on the dock. We're going to focus on iPhoto, iMovie, and GarageBand. If for some reason this is not located on your dock for you already, simply move to the right, click on Applications, find that, and move on. Again, here is our dock. Here is a Finder window that you will find very valuable. In the Finder window, you can change what device you're working with, what directory you're in, and even every application. The Mac window is very easily to get used to. Soon you'll be very